I want to make a computer, but not like a gaming PC with the most powerful CPU and graphics card out there. Just something that can access the internet and maybe do some simple tasks. I did some research and found something called a Raspberry Pi. No, wait, not that kind of Pi. This is what I'm talking about. The Raspberry Pi 3 is a mini computer with its own operating system that can run Python, surf the web, and even play Minecraft. And for only $45, I decided to buy it. Sadly, I realized that it doesn't have its operating system installed in it already, and for that, I needed to load it onto an SD card first. Fortunately, I found out that my MP3 player came with a 64GB SD card, so I hooked it up to my computer and loaded Raspberry Pi OS onto it. After plugging it into the Raspberry Pi and hooking it up to my monitor, I was able to set up a user for it. I'm actually pretty impressed with how well this thing works. I didn't even have a heatsink or cooling system hooked up to it, and it was super smooth. I also 3D printed this white case since it looks pretty cool, and staring at an ugly green motherboard was starting to get annoying. I used the pre-installed code editor called Genie Programmer and made a window appear with Pygame. After a few more minutes of messing around, I got a very simple game going on it. Kind of like a Geometry Dash game, actually. Then I downloaded Pi Apps, which is basically the Raspberry Pi version of an app store, and installed Minecraft Pi Edition. I was interested to see how well this little computer could run a 3D engine, and it turns out incredibly well. If there was an FPS counter, it would probably be hovering at around 60, which isn't too impressive, but for this little thing, it's very surprising. I was also able to go on Chromium and play some games on Poki.com. It was pretty slow there, but I'm not complaining. It did crash a few times when I was trying to watch a YouTube video though, which is a bit disappointing. Overall though, I think that the Raspberry Pi 3 is an awesome little device. I hope to buy a little touchscreen in the future and maybe make it mobile. I'm sure there are a million things you can do on this, and I hope to explore those things too. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.